Hello everyone. In this video, my aim is given the basic understanding of the term virtual and real images. This is very interesting topic. You all enjoy it. What you see on your screen, this is a mirror. It has plane and smooth reflecting surface one side and called plane mirror because its reflecting surface is flat. What type of mirror have you seen? Have you seen this type of mirror? Well, you must seen this type of mirror on bedroom or maybe hung on the wall. This is not a plain mirror. Try to move your hand over the surface, you will notice it. This is called spherical mirror and also called spherical concave mirror. It is curved inward. It is mostly used in shaving. That's the obvious question that we coming to your mind. Why do we use concave mirror in shaping instead of plane mirror? For this answer, this question you have wait for future video. For now, we have concentrate on the plane mirror. Let us consider this plane mirror again. We stand in front of the plane mirror. We see same image in the mirror. This is surprising. Why we able to see a image due to the reflection of light, that due to the multiple reflection of light, how light from the source first incident on our body, they bounces from our body and falls on the surface of the mirror. The reflected ray from that, then the reflected light then reaches our eyes and see our image. It tells us the image will be diverging. The image which are formed by the plane mirror, that will be the virtual image which are formed in the plane mirror. You have remember my initial goal was to explain what is the difference between the real image and the virtual image. Our image which see in mirror, that will be virtual or real? Then answer is the image which are formed in plane mirror, that will be the virtual image. Let us can we take the a real and inverted image of an object formed when the object is placed on the principal axis beyond the principal focus of a concave mirror. The relation among the position of the object, position of the image and focal length of the mirror is called plane mirror. Incident ray passing through the center of the curvature. This ray traces its path after reflecting from the mirror. Incident ray parallel to the principal axis. This ray passes through the focus of the plane mirror after reflecting from the mirror. Incident ray falls at the pole of the mirror by making an angle with principal axis. This rays is reflected along the direction which make the same certain angle with the principal axis. Incident ray passing through the focus or appearing to pass through focus. This ray goes parallel to the principal axis after reflection. And the image that can be behind the mirror, that is called virtual image, that is formed in the plane mirror. Image which appear to form in the position somewhere behind the mirror is called virtual image, not real image. Okay. Image, what is image? If rays of light starting from a point meet at another point after reflection, then the other point is called the image of the first point. Let us consider concave mirror instead of plane mirror. Let the boy be an object lying beyond the focus of the concave mirror. A ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis passing through the principal axis at principal focus after reflecting from the concave mirror. Another ray which is also passing through the center of the curvature. After reflection, this ray retraces its path and meet at the point. Here, this will be the representation of real image of the object, and the ray which are diverse. If the ray of light after reflection actually converges at the second point, then the image is called real image. If the rays of light after reflection appears to meet or converge when produced behind the mirror, then the mirror is called virtual image. Real image can be obtained on the screen. However, virtual image cannot be obtained on a screen. These are the difference that takes place between the virtual image and the real image. Virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen, which is obtained behind the mirror, and the real image can be obtained on the screen. After converging, they can be diverse. Real image are those rays which are formed by the concave mirror that can be formed real image and virtual image, and the distance between them that can be represented here, between the distance which takes place between the object and the pole. The midpoint of the mirror is called pole, and the characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror called virtual image.